Hello everyone, let's talk about the At the Open 2 trading method, the ATO2. What is it? What type of results can you achieve? And what kind of signals does this method generate? So the ATO2 is a method based on price action, which means we're not going to teach you any type of conventional indicator. We're not even going to use any type of stochastics, MACDs, momentum, SMA, volume. We're not going to use any of those things. We're going to focus on price action. If you're the type of trader that doesn't have a lot of time on your hands, maybe you just want to trade a few hours a day, one solid trade, a good solid high accuracy signal every day, once and done, then this is for you. I'm going to show you not one, but 5 consecutive days in a row trading the At the Open 2 method. So you can see for yourself what kind of results you can achieve using this method. Starting on June 11th, Friday, we have a short signal at 42.32 quarter, and we also have another short signal at 42.28. Regardless of which one you chose to take, if you're able to take one or both, these signals were successful. That's day number 1, Friday, June 11th. Now, as we go to Monday, which is the next day here, we have another shorting opportunity. This is June 14th, Monday. The entry is 42.30.50. I'm using the ATR down here for a specific target, so the target is based on the current conditions. Again, another successful trade. That's day number 2. On day number 3, we have another short signal. This is now 42.39.50. And so the software plots the signals on the chart. You have enough time to enter. You look at the type of volatility that exists based on the ATR, and you take your target. Everything is explained in the course and on the members area during the live trading. So day 3, June 15th, another winner. On day 4, we have another signal. This time, this is a short signal, but not one, we have 2. The first signal was 42.34. The second signal was 42.27. We're using the ATR for our target. Day 4, June 16th, Wednesday, another successful day. So everyone who has the ATO2 software has the same exact signals. Now, when you look at day number 5, we also have another short signal. This is June 17th, Thursday. 42.04 was the entry. I'm in, I'm out in less than 5 minutes. I've already made my profit and I'm done for the day. So the success of the At the Open 2 is really getting in on these high probability trades, one trade a day and finished, and now you can enjoy the rest of the day. Now, if you're curious, why did I stop here on June 17th? That's because today we have another signal. Today is the last day up until this point, and this is another short signal at 41.70.50. This is June 18th, Friday. Again, another successful trade. Here is day number 6, June 18th, Friday. So what do you get with the At the Open 2? Well, you get access to the members area, the software that's installed on your charts. We have a bonus, which is the ABC software as well. It's a completely different way of trading price action using the ABC software, the ABC method. We help you install NinjaTrader with live data if needed. And to help you get started, you can always count on us for support, live training, and access to the members area, which is vital and very important for your success. If you have any questions, email us at support@DayTradeToWin.com, and I'll see you at the next training.